Hey crypto friends, for those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Garrett and welcome to Altcoin Radar. Today you guys are going to learn how to become a crypto price action trader and learn all about what it actually means to trade price action in general and what it all entails. Now, for those of you who are new to the channel, if you are interested in trading and would like to try out the same crypto exchanges that I've used, then feel free to go ahead and try out the MEXC exchange with the link in the video description down below. Now, and since MEXC isn't available for people in the United States to trade futures on, I also have another link down there to another exchange called Blowfin that is available for people in the United States as well. All right. So guys, before I actually go ahead and start this video, since this is a trading education video, I do have to be responsible and say that trading crypto is extremely risky and you should definitely not do it unless you know what you're doing and have a plan and strategy in place before you start placing trades. If you don't, you're taking the chance of losing all of your money, especially if you're trading the crypto futures market, all right? But today we are solely going to be talking about becoming a price action trader because mastering price action can quite literally be a game changer. Unlike other crypto markets or unlike other markets in general, crypto operates on a 24/7 basis, which offers all kinds of opportunities for traders to capitalize on price fluctuations, which is very nice. However, navigating the volatility requires more than just technical analysis skills. It also demands a strategic approach and a disciplined mindset as well. All right. So you're probably wondering, what exactly is price action trading? Here's the thing. Price action trading basically revolves around the analysis of historical price movements to make your trading decisions. Unlike relying solely on indicators, price action traders focus on interpreting raw price action data instead, such as, candlestick patterns, support and resistance levels, and even market trends as well. All right. That's why you see a lot of different support and resistance levels on a lot of people's different charts and stuff like that. Usually when you see that, they're typically when you see somebody trading with a chart that has no indicators on it and instead you just see a bunch of lines and support and resistance levels, they're typically price action traders. Okay. So anyway, when we're talking about candlestick patterns, candlesticks basically provide price action traders with extremely valuable insights into market sentiment and potential reversals, and traders often look for patterns like engulfing candles and hammer candles to identify potential entry and exit points. All right. Now, number two, when we're talking about support and resistance, these are basically just key levels on a price chart where buying or selling pressure tends to converge. And identifying support and resistance zones helps price action traders anticipate price movements and set stop loss and take profit levels as well. All right. Now, lastly, as far as trend analysis is concerned, understanding market trends is absolutely crucial for price action traders. Whether it's an uptrend, downtrend, or sideways movement, aligning trades with the prevailing trend increases your overall probability of success. Okay. Now, as you guys can clearly see here, I've got a bunch of support and resistance levels here on my 4-hour chart. I like to trade price action more than using indicators. When I used to trade back in the day when I was first starting out, I used to love to rely on indicators, but I'm no longer that type of person. I have since evolved a while ago, and it's just, for me, realistically, it is a lot easier for me to trade off of price action these days than using indicators. All right. So now let's go ahead and talk about some of the most popular strategies for price action trading. Okay. The first one is all about breakout trading, okay, which basically involves entering a trade when the price breaks above or below a significant support or resistance level. Price action traders typically wait for confirmation of the breakout before entering a position, basically aiming to capitalize on the overall momentum. And that's kind of what you saw right in here, okay? You can clearly see right in here, we went sideways for quite a while, and we created this support within this sideways movement here, all right? And then we just broke out like nobody's business, as you guys can clearly see right there, all right? That right there is confirmation that, hey, we are continuing to move up, and we are moving up pretty darn quickly, all right? And that's exactly what happened, okay? So that is a good example right there about breakout trading. Now, another strategy is all about pullback trading, okay, which basically involves entering a trade in the direction of the prevailing trend after a temporary retracement. Price action traders typically look for pullbacks to key support or resistance levels, considering them as potential entry and exit points with favorable risk-reward ratios, okay? Now, lastly, the last strategy that I've got here deals with reversal trading, okay, which basically involves identifying potential trend reversals based on candlestick patterns or divergences in indicators like, the RSI or the MACD. Price action traders typically aim to enter positions early in the reversal process here to maximize their overall profits, okay? But you do not want to rely solely on the indicators. That's kind of the point that I'm getting here, all right? Price action traders do not solely rely on indicators, all right? But now that we've got, key components of price action trading and a few strategies covered, the last leg of this video is going to be all about the mindset, okay? Literally all about the mindset of a successful price action trader. Here's the thing, because having the right mindset is absolutely crucial for success with crypto price action trading. Here's the thing. The first key attribute here is going to be patience, obviously. Price action trading requires a lot of patience to wait for high probability setups and avoid making impulse decisions based on emotions, and it's a heck of a lot easier said than done. Majority of new traders end up quitting too soon because they lost money because they simply weren't patient enough to wait for setups to play out, all right? That is honestly one of the biggest key things the biggest key issues that I see a lot of beginner traders make, okay? They're simply way too damn impatient, and they think that they can just get rich overnight in the crypto futures market, and it just does not work out that way. You have to do this with a solid plan and strategy in place in order for it to work out, all right? Now, the next attribute that I'm going to talk about here is going to be discipline, which basically revolves around following an actual trading plan religiously and taking it seriously. You also want to adhere to risk management principles and avoid over trading as well, all right? Mastering these aspects will ensure that you've got the discipline that it actually takes to be consistently profitable, all right? And when I'm sitting here talking about avoiding over trading, what I'm talking about here is if you win a trade and let's say you made like 125% on a trade with like, I don't know, let's say 15 to 20x leverage or some shit, you do not want to start getting cocky all of a sudden and then just enter another trade right away thinking that you're just gonna repeat the same thing right away. All right, you're gonna end up over trading because you're getting cocky, and you're gonna end up losing your money, and then you're gonna be mad at yourself, and then you're gonna start calling crypto a scam, and it's just gonna be a big downfall from there. All right, so you want to have discipline, and you want to avoid over trading and being a mature market participant. Okay, now, another attribute that I've got here is going to be resilience, okay? Because losses are an inevitable part of trading, and successful traders understand the importance of resilience. Staying calm and learning from their mistakes and staying 100% focused on long-term profitability, all right? So, lastly, the last attribute that I've got here for you guys is going to be continuous learning, which is honestly another big one that the majority of newbie traders refuse to do because they simply think that they're experts, and they simply think they're all experts and are simply too lazy to put in the actual work. But the crypto landscape is always evolving, and successful traders commit to continuous learning, staying updated with the latest trends, and always refining their trading skills, all right? Trust me when I say this, there is always more to learn. I'm still learning stuff on how, trading crypto price action and stuff like that. I still make mistakes on a regular basis, and I'm learning from them on a regular basis. Nobody, no matter how long that they've been trading, everybody makes mistakes, okay? Everybody makes mistakes, and we all learn from them, okay? So instead of, if you're making mistakes, instead of getting all, pissy and getting upset and stuff like that, learn from them and figure out what you could have done different to, make it not happen instead. But at the end of the day, though, becoming a good crypto price action trader is literally a journey that requires dedication, perseverance, and a very solid understanding of market dynamics. And By mastering key trading strategies and having a very good mindset, you'll be able to navigate the crypto market with confidence and increase your overall chances of long-term success. However, remember, consistency and discipline are the absolute most crucial cornerstones of profitable trading in literally any market. So, you want to get yourself equipped with the right tools, stay informed, and embrace the challenges and opportunities that come your way in this journey. All right. So overall here though, you guys, that's going to pretty much do it for this one. So I will go ahead and wrap this video up. But before you guys leave, if you haven't already and you would like to, go ahead and make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you never miss a new crypto and altcoin video from me on a regular basis. And hey guys, with that said, thanks again for watching.